Okay, so let's look at some more examples of integer solutions to inequalities. All right, so what you're going to do here, it says state all integer values of x in the interval from -5 to 0 that satisfy the following inequality. All right, so that means I know if I'm on a number line, okay, and I draw -5 here, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. Okay? They're asking about which values from here to here, okay, which of these values work. Okay, so which ones could I could plug them in and work, but I don't need to plug it in right away. If I solve it, okay, it's going to give me a picture. Okay, so let's look here. So let's take 4x plus 7 and we are going to subtract 7 from both sides. So when I do that, I'm left with 4x greater than -16. All right, and then to solve that, I'm going to divide by 4. So I get x greater than or equal to -4. Okay? All right, so now that I have x is greater than or equal to -4, that tells me, okay, if I go over here to the number line, okay, that if I start right here at -4, and if I'm greater than, I shade this way. Okay, so I shade this way. All right, that tells me that -4, -3, -2, -1, and 0, because they're all below this shaded part, that if I plug them in, I'll get a true answer. Okay, so let me prove that to you. Okay, so if I plug in, I'm going to pick any number. So let's just say if I just sit there and go, boom, I'm going to pick -2. Okay, because anything that's underneath here, okay, I'm going to plug in -2. So I'm going to take 4 times -2 plus 7 greater than or equal to -9. And this is going to be true when I finish working it out. So 4 times -2 is -8 plus 7 greater than or equal to -9. Well, -8 plus 1, or -8 plus 7 is -1 greater than or equal to -9. Okay, so this is saying that -1 is greater than or equal to -9. Well, that's absolutely true. Okay, and if I plugged in -5 here, it would not work. Okay, but if I plugged in -4, -3, -2, -1, and 0, it's all going to work. Okay, so when I go over here now, okay, it asks me to state all of those integer values. So that means I have to type in -4, excuse me, I have to type in -3, I have to type in -2, I'm just using a comma, type in -1, comma, and 0, okay? Because I only type in the ones that work using the interval from -5 to 0. And I hit submit my answer. Yes, and there it is. So you can see the same thing. Okay, we've solved it. Okay, you can see he shaded all the values to the right. Okay, but we were only looking at, okay, between -5 and 0. Okay, all right, so I hope this helps. Okay, if you need any additional help, please let me know.